Here's how to add confetti to your Squarespace page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code, log into Squarespace. You will be routed directly to your dashboard. Choose the relevant page you want to add the confetti animation to. In the example shown, we will use the confetti demo page to go to the editor. On the configuration page, click on Edit. Now that you're in the editor, choose a section and then click on Add Block. By the way, please disregard the content you're seeing on this page. It is simply being used for demonstration purposes. Now going back to adding a block, go ahead and find Code from the selection and then drag and drop it anywhere on your Squarespace page. On the code block, click on Edit. This will open a box where you can paste in the confetti code next. Completely remove this message. Right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Ctrl-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the code block, go to the top left of your page and click on Save and then Exit. If you did all the steps I mentioned earlier, you should immediately see the confetti animation in action. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.